Hey, good looking. You want to see what we have cooking today in my kitchen? Well, grab a hold of that vine and swing onto my kitchen and let's get cooking. Good looking. Today, I'm going to sit there and show you how to make a copycat recipe of the Panda Express Peking pork bowls. So, grab a hold of that vine and let's swing onto my kitchen and let's get cooking. Good looking. Oh yeah, we're gonna be walking the walk again. So before we can even walk that walk, we gotta sit there and make the meat marinade. So what we need is 3/4 teaspoon of kosher salt, 1/4 teaspoon pepper, 2 eggs, one and a half teaspoons wine, 1/4 cup cornstarch, and 1/4 cup flour. Now give them egg yolks a good poke. This is just going to help them mix everything up better. And now we're just going to give it all a good mix. And this is how you want yours to look. So let's just set that off to the side. And now I took 2 pounds of pork loin roast and I cubed it up. And now let's go ahead and you want to sit there and put that all in and thoroughly coat all of this. So I'll be back when I'm all done coating up my meat. We are gonna marinate these in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. I'm heating up about 1 inch or 2 of oil, and then I'm gonna sit there and place a few of these coated pieces of pork, and we're gonna fry them up until they're all nice and crispy and brown. Here I have them all up into my wok, and I'm frying them all up. You want to get them all nice and crispy and brown. For our Peking sauce, I have 1/4 cup of brown sugar. We're going to add 1 teaspoon of ground ginger, and let's go ahead and add 1/2 cup of soy sauce. Let's go ahead and add the soy sauce, 1/4 cup ketchup, and some salt and pepper to taste. And get out your sesame seeds because we're going to be using them as a garnish. Now let's go ahead and mix this all up. Now I'm going to take this over to the stove and I'm going to heat up the sauce and thicken up just a tad bit. Here is our fried up popcorn pork. Here is our sauce that we heated up and we simmered down a little bit to get a thicker sauce. Now I'm going to sit there and just pour some of this over. I'm not going to pour all of it because I don't know if we're going to be needing all of it. Give these all a good toss inside your bowl. Now I'm going to grab a utensil. Now I have my bowl of rice as how they would serve it to you at Panda Express. Your rice is on one side, and then you would get this on the other half. So I'm just going to give it one last final zhuzh before I put some on the serving platter over here. And now let's just give a light little sprinkling of sesame seeds. And there you go. That's how easy it was to make the Panda Express Peking pork bowl. Now if you like what you saw here today, go down and give me a big old thumbs up. And if you're a new subscriber, welcome to my channel. And if you're not a subscriber yet, go ahead, subscribe today, tap that little bell, that way you'll always be notified every time I do put on a new video. And I want to thank you for coming and taking the time to watch my video, and y'all come back now, you hear?